Okay, everybody, so as you can see, we've cleaned quite a few of these parts. We have also painted them, all the painting's done, all the cleaning's done, so we are going to get to assembly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so here's the power hacksaw, all completed, first test cut done. You can see the blade, everything's been painted. I've got the oilers. You can see the oiler. Got 2 oilers there. 2 at the bottom there as well. And yeah, so everything is done. Everything has been. There you go. See some better photos here on the inside. Everything is finished. The only thing which I haven't connected yet is the fluid pump that pumps the cutting fluid or the cooling fluid through to the blade. But because I'm not going to use it that extensively, I decided that I'm not going to install that for now, because I'm going to be using it so not that often, and I don't want, because it's got a fairly big reservoir to hold the cutting fluid in, so I don't want it to go and I don't want the fluid going off while I'm not using it. So I might just have like a. It's fairly interesting there to see the engineering and stuff that they've done on this. Just get that to focus. There we go. It's an actual glass tube that you can see the fluid with. So maybe if I get that running sometime, then I can post a video of that later on. But I've done all the adjusting for getting a decent cut. Does fairly well for what it is, and everything's the way it should be working. I suppose I had to fix the gib up inside here that actually takes up the slack and the tension as this thing wears off. So I had to do a bit of alteration and fixing here, which I've done, and it seems to do a fairly decent job. Well, at least better than I could do with a grinder. So I think this will serve me well. Okay, so there we go. Great Captain Power Hacksaw. New addition to the shop.
So